This is minbay Pixel Artboard. It's a drawing tablet specially designed for art creation. Now you can use it to create a variety of interesting artworks. minbay Pixel Artboard is lightweighted and portable. You can carry it wherever you go and take it out when your ideas spring to your mind. It is perfect for game lovers and developers. You can draw characters and special gear for your games. The system designed for painting is very responsive. Select color from the palettes to start quickly. One-finger operation for painting easily. Pinch to zoom and resize. Left and right keys for undo and redo. Long press to use paint bucket to fill in colors. Switch between 3 different lines. minbay Pixel Artboard is the best drawing tablet for ultimate drawing experience. You can draw whenever and wherever you want. Print your pixel masterpieces and gift them to your friends. Its compact size and responsiveness make your inspiration instantly available. You can save up to 3,000 drawing steps, relive the process in the Artboard, and share within the exclusive app. You can also share your pixel art creations and drawing process online with everyone. minbay Pixel Artboard supports Type-C charging and lasts up to 8 hours for continuous painting. Adjust the screen brightness to fit the painting environment. The desire to paint must be satisfied anytime, anywhere. Storing up to 20,000 paintings. It helps you locate works fast, to modify and recreate at any time. Welcome to the world of pixel art. This is minbay Pixel Artboard.